welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if you're one of my day ones, welcome back. So in today's video I am doing, well, as you can see by the title, I am doing a updated YouTube setup or YouTube studio setup. So I've been wanting to do this video for a while, but my whole situation is not finished. But because I'm like, listen, I've been waiting too long, I wanted to show you guys like some updated stuff that I've done. If you guys want to go check out my previous video on my YouTube setup where I tell you about the camera I use, the lighting I use, the editing software I use, and much more, you guys can go check out that video up here in the little iCard above. You guys can go check it out. I don't know which side it is, but it's someplace up there. So let's see. A few things are, let me see, not much has changed. That's a lie. There's a lot that has changed. I have a whole space now where I film. I call it my woman cave, my office, my glam room, I call it everything, okay? It's my space. So it's not quite done, but I wanted to share this part with you guys, like where I film my videos, what I use as my backdrop, stuff is, you know, stuff like that. So yeah, when I'm finished with the entire room, I'll give you guys a room tour, like a studio room tour or whatever, and where I got each stuff, or if I made them myself, or if I thrifted them, which majority of the stuff in this room I have bought, but I've either made it myself, thrifted it, and a couple items I have bought. I still use the same camera. I still use a Sony a5000 camera. She's my ride or die. She's my ride or die. That's what I'm filming on. I've been calling her she. I never named her, but you know what? It's okay. She is wonderful. I love her. Sony a5000, like I said, she's my ride or die. I had her for a good number of years now. Since I've been on YouTube, I've had her, and I've been on YouTube for like maybe 3 years now. So yeah, I started out with my iPad, then I got my camera, and this is who I'm using now. So yeah, so I still use the same camera, still use the same editing software, which is well, no, I do have a new editing software, but I'm still learning. But yeah, I still use iMovie, which comes on my iMac. Listen, iMovie is it limits you to certain things, but it's my ride or die. I still use it. I do have Premiere Pro, but I'm still learning. I am still learning. But yeah, when you know y'all see little differences in my videos, then you know that I got that on pat. But yeah, I do have Premiere Pro. I'm still learning how to use it, and I do have Photoshop and stuff like that, because you know I take photos. But yeah, what else? I still have the same lighting. My hubby had got me that as a gift a number of years ago. My umbrella lights, I bought those myself. I got those on Amazon, and I think I paid $40 something, like $44 and change on Amazon for my umbrella lights. So it's the umbrella lights. I got a set of 3, and that was a good bargain. I paid under $50 for all 3 lights, which is wonderful. So I still use the same lights, I still have the same camera, I still use the same editing software. Nothing new, same old, but my whole setup is different. Because in my video, the previous video that I did like a few years back, I had I still have them, I really do. I used to go to Walmart or Joann's or Hobby Lobby, and I'll get fabric, like, you know, them cute fabric, pin them up, and that's my backdrop. But now I have a whole room in my house that's just for moi, which yeah. So in the back, that's it for now. There's parts of the room that I did not show you guys purposely because it's a hot mess. It is not done, and when I don't want to give away everything, but when this room is done, I will be giving a room tour because I don't know, I enjoy doing stuff like this, and everybody that comes to my house like really likes the room because they saw the room from it was empty. I'll show you guys a little clip from the room was empty, nothing was in there. Like I have few little stuff in here, whatever, but I wanted, this is technically a small little bedroom, yeah, but I wanted a space for like all my equipment, my lights, my everything. I wanted space for that, and I was just like, I like doing this. YouTube is my thing, so why not make a space for it? And believe me, I have upgraded through over the years, and I put a lot of time and effort into everything that I've done in here, and I just love to create. So as I get better at this, with the help of you guys showing your love, showing your support, subscribing to the channel, liking, and of course sharing these videos, you know, you can get a sister out there, okay? Because I have a lot of stuff in store, a lot of stuff that I want to show you guys, a lot of stuff that I want to do as a creator. So yeah, just come with me on this journey. I am super excited. This year, I'm putting it out there. This year, I want this year to be my year. 2019, I want it to be my year. Oh my God, I said it out loud. I'm sorry. But yeah, 2019, I want this year to be my year. Like, I can say that, yes, I did that. Proud of myself. I just can't wait to show you guys the whole entire room. It's getting there. It is getting there. So yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to give it a like, share, of course subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for all my new subscribers. Oh, welcome to this creative family. Okay, yeah, I guess I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.